Hi, my name is Kamm. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Thnks, where we're on a mission to build a more grateful and connected business world. There's nothing wrong with corporate gifting per se. We should all mind our ABCs, our anniversaries, our birthdays, Christmas. It's when we all think to send a gift and acknowledge the people we're working with. The problem is, everybody's acknowledging the people we're working with. And so it can come off just a little transactional and a little impersonal. In order to solve for this, you'll find sales and marketing teams putting their heads together, coming up with gimmicky ways that they can stand out or different swag that they can send in order to try to impress their client. The problem is that's not about the recipient. That's about the company sending the swag. I personally die a little bit inside every time I see a coffee mug sent with a logo on it. Completely understand the purpose. You want that coffee mug sitting on your client's desk with your logo facing it, but the reality is it ends up in a cupboard somewhere collecting dust. If you want to be truly thoughtful, why not send a week of coffee with that mug? Something that feels a little more personal, a little more thoughtful towards that recipient. And that's what we do at Thnks. We believe small, frequent gestures of appreciation are what truly build business relationships. Ultimately, we all choose to do business with people we like, and everyone likes someone who appreciates them. When we say a small gesture, it can be as simple as a cup of coffee to a prospect or a colleague who's having a tough day and just needs a little shot of caffeine. An Uber ride to that customer in New York City when it's raining and you can give them a ride to work on you instead of riding the subway. It could be 3 months of Spotify to that colleague you have who just loves music, just to acknowledge that you appreciate their help and everything they've done for you. These things that show you listen, you care, and build a true, deep relationship with the person you're trying to connect with, which ultimately leads to better business outcomes.